little bit of what the street light. I don't know how good this video will be because it's with my phone, but I'm going to stick my head and arm outside for about 6 seconds so you can hear the howling wind and maybe get a better view, and then I'm going to put it back inside because that is too cold. Okay, here we go. It's so cold. Oh my gosh. I parked my car there about that's how bad it is. It's covered in toes. Look at my feet are now covered in snow. It's complete whiteout conditions. I can't see any of the houses that are across the alley. It's pretty crazy. My blizzard